Welcome back to $1 Toy Models, and today we have construction vehicles. We have 3 packages. Let's open them. Ooh, Whoa!
Whoa.
And this one.
Oh, look good.
And this.
This is the concrete mixer, right?
Yeah. Oh,
And is that the truck?
yeah. They
Oh,
go
look good.
Yeah. They go together.
All right.
Okay. This. Ah.
What is this one?
Hmm.
This is like a dump truck or something?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is a dump truck.
And how about this one?
And this one is a front loader.
Right. Good.
And the last one.
Yes.
Okay. Well, this one is road roller. Yeah.
Yes.
And I don't know the name of this one.
Maybe trailer because they have this thing at the front. You can hook up with the car. With the truck.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, let's show all of them.
Yeah. And we have truck and concrete wagon and dump truck, front loader, road roller, and dump wagon. So let's take a close look at all of them. The truck on the top is metal, and the bottom is all plastic.
All right.
And the concrete wagon is all plastic.
Right. And it can hook to the back of the truck, right?
Yeah, you see,
Yeah.
there's a hole and a bump. Voila!
Good. All right.
And next is dump truck. The front of the truck is metal, and the other parts are plastic. So you can put stuff on the back of the truck, and then it will go to another place and dump it down.
All right. Good.
Yeah.
Next one.
This one is front loader. The back is metal, and all the others is plastic.
All right.
So it can scoop up something and then put it somewhere else.
Good.
And this is road roller. It can flatten the road so people can drive.
Yes. Good. It can actually really roll, right?
Yeah, and the back is metal, and the others are not.
Very good.
And last is the dump wagon, a smaller version of the dump truck. And all of it is plastic. And again, it can get stuff, go to another place, and dump it back down. And also, you can hook it with the truck. But I don't know why they put this here.
All right. It's supposed to be the hook, right?
Yeah. Maybe we can pretend.
All
Yay.
right.
He goes right. La 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 la.
So that's all we have, right?
Yeah. Go back and hook it up. I hope you liked learning about construction vehicles. And if you did, hit that like button and hit that red subscribe button and hit that bell so you never miss another video. Bye!
Bye, everyone.
I'm going to play.
Yes. And don't forget, this is all yellow.
Yeah.
That is for its color.
Yeah. You go, dump truck. Okay, thank you. Some over here. Hey, you need some cement. You go, road roller.
I like this one.
Me too. It shiny
It's fun, yeah.
yellow. Here you go. Dun dun dun. Gold. Hey, can I do some work? Yeah. Here you go.
Alright, bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
We have a lot of more videos to show you.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye.
Bye.